Dentistry.
Well, I only had a few of my natural teeth left, and I had dentures on the top. So I started looking for implants, and I did a lot of research on all the different places around us, and you guys had the best reviews, and I like the idea of the quick turnaround time. I got the surgery on the upper done one day, the bottom the second day, took a 2-day break, and got teeth on Friday. And it was an amazing experience. Everybody here is really personable. People working in the office, and it takes your mind off the process a little bit and makes it a lot easier. Since I've gotten my teeth, I've had them for about 2 or 2.5 months. My confidence level is huge. I'm smiling all the time, and when I had dentures and just a few teeth, I didn't get any big smiles out of them. My wife loves them. A couple weeks ago, I went, and dentures, they cover the roof of your mouth if you have the upper ones, and they block a lot of your taste receptors. And I went for a steak a couple weeks ago, and it tasted so good I had to close my eyes, and when I opened them, there was a tear in my eye, and my wife said, "Are you really crying over a piece of steak?" And yeah, I guess I kind of was. It's been life-changing. I would recommend Center for Implant Dentistry to everybody.